Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 5G, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold the power key, and once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will in turn open up this window, reboot to safe mode. With question, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So any kind of app that you have installed will basically be stopped from starting once you boot up the device, and that also actually includes things like weather and clock widgets, so they will be disabled. And this mode is designed so you can test if, for instance, something is causing your device some problem, or if, for instance, your device itself is malfunctioning. So let's wait for it to boot back up, and once it does, there you go, you can see in the bottom left corner safe mode, so just a confirmation that the device is now indeed in the desired mode. So that is how you would boot into safe mode, and once you're ready to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold the power key and this time tap on restart. And there we go, we're now back in normal mode. So that is how you would boot in and out of safe mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.